Welcome to another simple dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Siri on your iPhone lock screen running iOS 16. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. As you can see, the phone is locked and Siri is still enabled. So this causes a security concern. So let me show you how to disable Siri on your iPhone lock screen running iOS 16. So first you want to go into settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Now enter in your passcode. Now again, you want to scroll down until you come to Allow access when locked. Within this section, you're looking for Siri, so go ahead and disable that feature. Now go ahead and lock your screen and test it out. So as you can see, the iPhone is locked. And when you try to call Siri, you won't be able to call Siri as Siri has been disabled on your iPhone lock screen running iOS 16. So that is how to disable Siri on your iPhone lock screen running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.